All right. Good morning. It is your friend CryptoFace, and I hope you all had a very good weekend. Man, I got some really good sleep again, which I needed, man. So I got a good back-to-back long sleep, and I feel very refreshed. Um, I feel very refreshed and replenished of rest. So I'm feeling good. Um, Man, it's been an amazing month so far. No complaints here. And it's been a lot of fun. Definitely better than last month. Now, let's get to enough of the past, get to the future and the now. I can't help but to say that, there's something about this community and I mean the Bitcoin and crypto community as a whole, that after a dump, so to speak, when everybody is quote unquote bearish, some say, well, everyone is bearish, and so that's why I'm going to be bullish and the prices should go up, right? Not saying they're wrong or right, but at the same time, the same people, when everyone is bullish, they're bullish as well, and they say it's legitimate. Everyone's bullish, so the price should go up. And they say, well, when everyone's bearish, the price should go up. Now, what do I know? Maybe crypto is special, and that is the case. Either way, what I think's going on right now, and we're gonna just go in. We're gonna go into each time frame and go over actual analysis, but. The TLDR is what I think is going on right now. There's something in the water this morning where all the mainstream media, the Twitter, the YouTube people, for some reason everyone spruced up this morning and just feel like blurting out $100,000, Bitcoin to 100K by the end of December, and everyone's really super bullish this morning. Which I can't blame them. I mean, shit, we've had an amazing start to October, so. Yeah. Anyways, start with Bitcoin. Let's go to the weekly. Oh my lordy! What is that? What is that? This is the first time I'm looking at this, by the way. First time I'm looking at this. Oh my. Look at that. Well, shoot. I mean, this week just started. We have a little green dot here on this momentum wave and this little VWAP wave coming up. Wow, this is kind of super important. Last week and the week before, we saw this curving and this red dot, and the price came down to 39,705. And on this new candle that is only 15 hours old, it looks like we have a potential momentum curve. Now, money flow overall is still lower on the weekly. So what if we're really going to have a Q4 runoff, this momentum, money flow needs to start increasing again, VWAP increasing again, and so are we seeing the beginning of that? Well, we have 6 days and 9 hours left for this to confirm. Let's zoom in a little bit and going to the 4-hour. The 4-day, excuse me. Money flow has been coming straight down, and we have touched the zero line. In real bull trends or bull markets, this zero line acts as support. Are we seeing that now? We have the VWAP coming up. Looks like we have the beginning of a momentum wave coming up. So is this money flow going to start coming up? Is the the momentum start going to come up. We need to see this money flows. We're going to be looking on lower time frames. We're going to be looking for this money flow to start coming back up if you're 100K. Now, how do we take a deeper look? We go to the next time frame. Looks let's see, we're also 15 hours into the candle. Looks like we got our DBSIs of 14 on the bull, -3 on the bear as of now, and these numbers change during the candle. So right now, that's a decent 4-day. Let's go to the 3. Taking a look at the 3, we saw that, yes, we did break through. VWAP again coming up. We had the curve on momentum. The RSIs changed to oversold. An even stronger dual band strength index. We have a 17 bull, -5 bear. Last candle, we had a 16 bull, -5 bear. So this is good. This is continuation for the bulls. What do normal candles look like? And again, we've had some super, oh my lord, look at this strong candle close here. So not surprised if there's some pullback, but this doesn't look bad right now. This doesn't look bad for the bulls. Let's go to the 2-day. Enhance. Okay, we're on the 2-day. On the 2-day here, obviously we had the money flow dip down, and she is now coming back up. Now, right now, we are at a higher high on the money flow. VWAP had a nice shoot back up here. RSIs, again, still oversold, so that's good. So far, I mean, this is what you'd want to begin to see besides besides more green. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Now, there is the possibility, right, in knowing this, what we're looking for is this money flow just going to stop and come back down? Right, so what we want as bulls is you want this to continue up. What a bear wants is for this to just be a baby turtle to a mama turtle. And, this would just be another top sell-off, a little bit bottom to more of a sell-off. So we're going to be keeping our eye on that. And let's zoom into the daily. Looking at the daily. Green's a little bigger. Right now, we have a higher low on the money flow. VWAP had a nice wave. Momentum is coming up. So we're going to be looking for, bulls are going to be looking for this money flow to be increasing overall. We want overall this to increase. Bears are going to be looking for it to stop. $12-hour. Looks like we got a momentum clipping here on the 12-hour. Yikes. 16 bear against a -5 bull on the 12-hour here. It's a little scary, isn't it? It's a little scary. 12-hour. It's a little scary, isn't it? So far this has been an exact mirror. We've boom, come down. I mean, this has been an exact mirror. Boom. So, to me, it would kind of make sense if we did come back down and touch these levels again before we maybe even came back up here. Why not? Why not? Why not? Looking at the 6-hour. Momentum coming down. Thin, everything's really thin right here, so nothing really I can say draw confident out of on the 6-hour here. Everything's thin and choppy. We'll take a look at Ethereum coming up here soon. Nothing really here on the 4 hour that's standing out to me. That's anything kind of different than what we've kind of been saying. Momentum down here. Nothing really. We are in the green. Yeah, VWAP maybe kind of be doing something. Nothing really standing out to me there. Taking a look at the 2 hour now, we're starting to maybe see something. See, we had a potential trigger wave here. Oh, baby, look at this. A fight. We got a fight. This puppy's disappearing and coming back as we speak. Let's go to the standard candles. Standard candles, she's there right now. So we're going to see this fight. We got this doji. Is it doji on the standard candles? No, just on the hike and ashy. Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, you definitely, if you're a bull, you definitely want to see this hold. But, I mean, even if it doesn't, we've gone up so much. I mean, things don't always come when you want it. Everyone's so damn bullish right now. All the headlines, like, I wouldn't be surprised, man, if we came back down here and shook all these assholes out. Let's go with 1 hour. 1 hour. The 1 hour. Money flows on our 0 line. You know, is this going to be one of the bull times where it rejects and comes back up, or is it just going to have to play out? Overall, we're seeing money flow waves bigger than the previous one. Even this red wave is smaller than this one. $30-minute. She's dabbling in the red. She's dabbling in the red. We got momentum clipping on the 30 minutes. Thin waves. Choppy. This is dangerous shit. Dangerous and volatile. Manipulation. Manipulation. Let's go back. Let's go to ETH. Taking a look at the weekly. VWAP crossing over right here. Standard candles. Looks like the same thing. Let's go to the 4-day. Let me pause the video real quick. Okay. Dang it. Hang on, my phone keeps going off. Let me pause again. Alrighty. Okay, so the 4-day. Seeing this VWAP wave crossover. Got a little green dot here building. Again, we're 15 hours into the candle. And so we'll see what happens. Little 14 on the bull. -3 on the bear. And it's the same on Hikens as it is standard. So that's good on the 4-day. 3-day. 3-day. A little more strength for the bulls on the 3-day. Even better on standard candles. 3-day. Take a look at the 2-day. 2-day. Bear has gone from a -5 to a 4. Oh, and look at that. It's changing real time right in front of us. Now it went to a 0. Let's enhance. I wonder what this just was, and I wonder if it was still a 9. Maybe it went from like a 12 to a 9 on the daily. Looking at the daily. What does this look like? On the daily, VWAP in a downward move. Momentum is coming up. We'll be looking for this on lower time frames, looking for curves. On the 12-hour, we do have that pinch again here on ETH on the 12-hour. You know, how low can she go? How low will she go? Will she come back all the way down here to retest this line? Or is this going to be like Bitcoin where we have the mirror? Maybe it retests some of these 3100, 3130 type of levels, and although this hasn't gotten back quite quite up to this returning level like Bitcoin was on its chart. Let's go to the 6 hour. 6 hour, we have money flow just breaching in. And so this could be the whitewater rafting. Right now, this could be the whitewater rafting theory, where if you're in a raft going down some rapids, right, and someone falls overboard, someone's fallen overboard, how do you get them back into the raft? You don't just grab them and pull them. You grab their life vest and you say, on the count of three, I'm going to dunk your ass under. 1, 2, 3, boom. And you push them under a little bit. You don't drown the motherfucker, but you push down and let the momentum pull them back up in. And so on the 6th hour, this to me would look like we're pushing the guy down, and hopefully we're gonna pull them back in. And little Johnny's gonna be back in the raft with us. Right now, Johnny has fallen overboard. It's clear. Johnny is overboard. Looking at the 4 hour, decent little building curvature potentially on the VWAP. Money flows a little sideways, but it is at a higher high on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 2. On the 2 hour, VWAP, big VWAP wave potentially coming up here. Not as nicely curved as we would like it to be. Potential clipping here on the momentum wave also. We'll see. That's not confirmed. We got some dojis here on the Heikens. What about the standard candles? Big bars, big bars. Talk about a fight. Talk about a fight. There's some selling into the news going on right now. Listen, everyone's coming out saying 100K. Everyone's coming out so bullish today, and they're getting sold into. That's what's going on. Taking a look at the hour. Money flow has been coming down. We are at the 0 line. Looks like it's had a little bit of a bounce, but I wouldn't be surprised if this thing comes in the red a little bit, man. But we'll see. RSIs are low, so that's RSIs are low enough where they can bounce. Look at this trigger wave to the downside. Deep momentum trigger wave to the downside. Blood diamonds. Man, this is some fast action. Tough acting to acting. Not the time to be pumping leverage and going crazy. That's for damn sure. Let's go with the 10-minute here. 10-minute looks like we are higher on the money flow. We have a higher low. VWAP may be coming up. This level's super important. This level is super important. Is she gonna hold? Lower time frame showing maybe some hope here. Take a look at Solano. Whoops. What the fuck? The hell is this? Alright. I hate it when that happens. Okay, Solano. Oh, this looks great. This looks great. Oh, it's going up more. It's going up more. Screw FTX. Let's go to Binance. Oh, no, not Binance. Weekly VWAP. That puppy might be coming up here. Let's go to the 4-day. VWAP is just coming up to a breach into the higher side. Solano. Some of you already know, but I bought Solano at 101. Sold at 150. I sold some at fuck. I think it was at like 190. I don't think I sold at 200. I think I sold at like 190. Anyways. But I bought back in. This looks good. Money flow. Look at this momentum. Trigger waves coming up. Money flow coming up. The 1 hour looks the same as everything else. Like it's got to have a little break from this run up. We did some spider lines with Solano on one of our streams, and they looked pretty good. It looked pretty good. But these ones, the ones up here, I don't really have too much confidence in because of where they were started at on the weekly. It was kind of difficult to line them up, but these ones were good, and they played out. They worked out. They're just trend lines. Spider lines are just trend lines. Let's go to the lower time frames. You want to know what's going to be happening now. We're still in the red here. 10-minute looks like she's fighting. We love the 10-minute. We love the 10-minute time frame. So we'll see, man. We'll see. We need this puppy to bounce. Will she hold the line? Oh, whoops. Was I looking at... I hope I was looking at Bitcoin at the beginning of this video and not Ethereum, and then looking at Ethereum again. The 8-minute, we got some trigger wave formation here. We'll see. We'll see. Not the time to be tunnel visioned. Not the time to be tunnel visioned. Anyways, I don't know what... Can't really say, you know, with any definite price is going to be going here at this time. Kind of just sitting here and watching. I did buy into some of the sell action, and I did open a couple little longs to start. But I'm not going to be looking to let some position get deep in the red right now or anything like that. Placing the first order of our merch. When the merch store is up, we will let you guys know. Mugs, shirts, sweaters, all that. So I'm looking forward to that. That's pretty much it for now. So a lot of exciting action. But yeah, when everyone's bearish, it's time to go bull. But when everyone's bullish, we're staying bullish, you know. So either way, look out for yourself. Don't do anything stupid. And yeah, God bless. See you guys later.